Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now, this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So if you are interested, click that first link in the description below. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. Three very accomplished internet marketers in their own right. Now let's get back to that review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you 5 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus explains how you can drive traffic after you purchase a PLR, just like this one. So it shows you how you can modify and make PLR your own using tried and true strategies. It includes Word document, a PDF file, images, and a PLR license. Use this document to increase your sales using PLR. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic so that you can make money online. Grab it and you will reach your online income goals quickly and easily. And the third bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer. And in the process, you pocket the money in terms of what that difference is, and you become the middle person. This fourth bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is the crucial thing, folks. It's recurring passive income. And you can do it with ease. And the fifth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending maybe 15 minutes a day running the entire system. So you receive it done for you, a high converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now let's take a look at this review. The vendor of the Zen of Productivity Blueprint is Yu Xuan and Kelly Lee. Now, they're 2 prolific creators and vendors in the field of personal development and self-help. They have over 30,000 sales to their credit. That's just on Warrior Plus platform. Now, the Zen of Productivity Blueprint, I'm sure, will be a hit among your followers. In a nutshell, the Zen of Productivity is a transformational blueprint that contains everything you need to know about living with purpose and intention, such as understanding and aligning with your values, harnessing the power of vision boards, cultivating positive habits, enhancing emotional intelligence, building resilience, adopting a growth mindset, and managing priorities, and many more life-changing tips. Now, here are a few things you should know about this product. It has the latest and most up-to-date information on how to live by design. It has 10 powerful chapters with over 10,000 words written by professional writers. And it's full PLR rights, given along with editable docs and PDF formats, so you can freely edit the book however you wish to customize the content to your personal tastes. And it has fantastic information that you might really want to keep for yourself. Each chapter includes quite a stunning array of graphics. The front end includes a module 1, which is premium quality ebook, a complete checklist, comprehensive mind map, high converting sales page, hypnotizing video sales letter, an exclusive lead magnet, a professional landing page, follow-up email swipes, stunning graphics pack, and of course license certificates. It also includes 3 fast action bonuses, so you want to get in on the action right at the beginning. And that first fast action bonus is a PLR powerhouse. The second one is a sales funnel hack, and the third one is really unannounced, and so it's going to be a crackerjack because the value is over $1,000. The sales funnel looks like this. That whole front end that I just talked about is for $13.95. Now, there are 4 OTOs. One is an upgrade of the existing front end product. And so you're going to get higher quality videos and converting upsells, and professional video sales letters, and so on. And OTO2 is $97, and it's a special PLR bundle package, which is a collection of 4 best-selling PLR packages in one special offer. And all PLR packages come with full front-end product and pro upgrades. OTO3 varies from $77 to $147, depending on what you want to get, and that is a done-for-you sales funnel system. And OTO4 varies from $27 a month to $197 VIP membership fee, and that includes a VIP membership and early access to Sean and Kelly's latest PLR products, and you get those every month. Now, if you need to know more, you can click that second link below and get the full story. Now, I warn you that the sales video isn't quite out yet. It is coming on January 22nd, early in the morning. So watch for it, and make sure you book through my link in order to get the Zen of Productivity PLR products. And before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below, and my 5 bonus, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr, recurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 steps while spending only 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and they'll show you how to drive traffic after you purchase a PLR product. Now, thank you for watching, folks. Make sure you grab this product and take a hard look at the first link. Bye for now. Catch you again next time.